As we prepare to conclude this enlightening journey, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned, the skills we've acquired, and the doors that have now opened for you in the world of gemology. We began our journey by diving deep into the enchanting universe of gemstones, understanding their allure and significance throughout history. From the geological processes that give birth to these radiant stones to the cultural tales that have been woven around them, we've explored the multifaceted nature of gemology. Through hands-on assignments and interactive lectures, you've gained both theoretical knowledge and practical skills, equipping you to appreciate and evaluate gemstones beyond their sparkle. Understanding gemstones is not just about identifying pretty stones. It's about appreciating the intricate dance of nature, science, and culture. Whether you're looking to buy jewelry, work in the gem industry, or simply enhance your general knowledge, this course has provided a solid foundation. For those looking to delve deeper, consider pursuing formal gemological certifications. Institutions offer advanced courses and certifications. With your newfound knowledge, doors open in the jewelry industry, gemstone trading, museum curatorship, and even gemological research. For many, gemology remains a passionate hobby. Continue to grow your collection, attend gem shows, and join gemological societies to connect with like-minded enthusiasts. The world of gemology is vast and ever-evolving. New gem deposits are discovered, new treatments are developed, and new scientific insights emerge. Stay updated by reading gemological journals, attending workshops, and participating in online forums. Gemology, at its core, is a celebration of nature's wonders. As you continue your journey, remember to approach each gemstone with curiosity, respect, and wonder. Behind every sparkle lies a story, a history, and a world of knowledge waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us on this luminous journey. Whether you are taking the first steps in a gemological career or simply satiating a personal curiosity, we hope this course has ignited a lifelong passion for gemstones. Remember, the world of gems is as vast as it is beautiful, and this course is just the beginning. Keep exploring, keep learning, and let the world of gemology unfold before your eyes.